See, this sum does not require any calculation. Also, orally you can say, you can see here, this will give you D. This will give you D, Baba. So you know that D is equal to A3 minus A2. So this is your A1, this is your A2, this is your A3. Correct now? D, I will get it very easily. You can use any method you want. What I am using the method is not compulsory. So 176 minus 179, D is equal to minus 3. Now we got D, we can find out A. You know A2 is equal to 179. Yes, Yogita. So A2 is nothing but A plus D is equal to 179, and this A is equal to, we will get A minus 3, because D value is given minus 3. Can you see this is D? Is equal to 179. This 3 we will take here. We will get A is equal to 179 plus 3. A is equal to 182. So this is your first box. A1 we got it. Now we need to find out A4. A4 is easy to do it. A plus 3D. So A plus 3D. A value is what? 182 plus 3 of minus 3. So we will get 182 minus 9, 173. This is A4. So this is another box. Here we'll write 173. Here we'll write 182. Finish. So let's see the next main. Come on, Manoj, Nikhil, Chetan, Sujan, Vaibhav, Kishore, Rohan. This is right answer, Chetan. Yeah, yes, Nikhil. Okay, let me explain, everyone. Let me explain which term of AP. See, this is the first term. This one is your first term. 8 is your second term. This is your third term, 13. And your fourth term is 18. So like that, they are asking which term will be 78. Like 18 is your fourth term. Like that, which term will be your 78? So data you should write here. A is equal to 3. What will be D? D is equal to A2 minus A1, nothing but 8 minus 3. Correct now? 8 minus 3, how much? Soil? D is equal to 5. Am I right? D is equal to 5. Am I right? Directly we should do now. Okay, 1 minute. Where it is? So 5n minus 5. Now this 5 I will take here. Okay, 75 plus 5 is equal to 5n. We will get 80 is equal to 5n. N is equal to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 6. So n is equal to 16. What it means? 78 is 16 term. So let us see practically what. See, this is 3, 8, 13, 18. Correct? 5 difference is it. So I will write 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, 53, 58, 63, 68, 73, 78. This is 78. So let us count which term we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 16th term. Exactly 16th we got. See, we counted and exactly we got 6 right. Solution. A is equal to 7, D is equal to 6. 13 minus 7, directly I will write now. AN is equal to 205, and which term is 205? Which term? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. 205, 7 plus N minus 1, D is 6. So this 7 you can take here, 205 minus 7. 6n minus 6. So the 6 you will take then. 198 plus 6 is equal to 6n. 204 is equal to 6n. N is equal to 204 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are. N is equal to 34 is the answer. Right answer. Arfat Hussaini, right answer. So see here everyone, D is equal to, I will show you because minus is there. D is equal to minus is A, so we will not take a risk. We will do it in the rough column. A2 minus A1. D is equal to 4. Okay. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. See, D to show it's not compulsory, right? D to show it's not compulsory. You can do in the D a rough column or directly. But whenever minus is there, you should be a little careful. Because some people get confusion and they write something D and finally they end up with the wrong answer. Yeah, now some students are getting right answer. But I cannot say A plus. So this 10 I will get here. I will multiply 4 into n, 4n. If you don't want to multiply, then also okay. Okay, I will show you. I can cross multiplication also. I will show you one method. Cross multiplication also I can show you. You can use that also. This will get 116. This will cross it now. Divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. So you can use it that also. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are. So we will get 29 is equal to n minus 1. So this 1 we will take here. What we will get? 29 plus 1 is equal to n. So finally n will get 30. So this is what the waste of time now because already you got perfect. See, yeah, very good. Humera also, right? So D, how to find out in your brain? A2 minus A1. So A2 is 3. Minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1, D will get 4. So calculate the D in your brain. Arfa, always, Samprita, right? Calculate the D in your brain. Okay. AN is equal to 195. N is equal to question mark. If you are not sure with the D, then you can write. Otherwise, calculate the D in your brain. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. So this is your 195. A is minus 1. N minus 1. D is equal to 4. So I will go with the cross multiplication method. Okay. Whichever method you want, you can follow. 195 plus 1 will get 196. You should be little faster now. You should do little fast. So we will get 196 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 4 nines are. So 49 is equal to n minus 1. And we will write n is equal to this 1 will take here. So n is equal to 49 plus 1, n is equal to 50. Even this step also you can skip. 49 plus 1 directly 50. So this you understood now. It is minus 1 is a, if I get this side it will become plus 1. So 195 plus 1 will become, I will show on your screen now. Right, Shreya. Now this is 15 1 by 2 is there now. So yes, Yogita. 18, this we will make in fraction. It is in mixed fraction, so improper fraction. 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 by 2, comma 30. So on minus 47. A is equal to pakka, no doubt in that 18. When you don't know D, you should do the rough part. A2 minus A1, that is 30, 31 by 2 minus 18. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM into 1 into 2. 31 minus 36, D is equal to minus 5 by 2 will be better. So D is equal to minus 5 by 2, AN is equal to minus 47. Formula you apply now. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. AN is minus 47 is equal to 18 plus N minus 1. D value is minus 5 by 2. Now simple mathematics is involved. Go for it, it's easy. So this will come here minus 18, minus 47 minus 18 is equal to N minus 1 of minus 5 by 2.